Hello, my name is Ezra Dolan. I'm the IT specialist here at West Virginia Junior College of Bridgeport, and today I will be having Evan Warner show you how to put an IP address on a Cisco router.
Hi, I'm Evan Warner, and today I'm going to show you how to put an IP address on a Cisco router. First thing you want to do is, we're in our enabled mode here, so what we're going to do is we're going to enter configure mode. After that, you then want to interface whatever Ethernet you want, whatever port you want to interface with. So we'll do fast Ethernet 00, then do IP address. I'll just do 192.168.20.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. That's stuck, it went through. You then want to exit. Then you can do show run. And yeah, that's all you have to do it. You can see right there is our IP address.